Update on the Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings states that the agreement has been painfully arrived at. However, Norwegian Cruise Lines Holdings is halting cruises for its 3 brands, and that's effective immediately. So sailings for Norwegian Cruise Lines Oceania and Regent 7 Seas will be suspended between March 13th and April 11th of 2020. This is in an effort to contain the spread of the coronavirus. In a statement from the company, it was said that measures have been taken out of an abundance of caution, as neither of the 3 brands have experienced any confirmed cases of the COVID-19 across its 28 ship fleet. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings say, "We understand the inconvenience that this disruption may cause to our guests and travel partners during these quickly evolving and challenging times. And we appreciate their understanding as we partner with local, state, federal, and global agencies to combat the spread of COVID-19. This was said by Frank Del Rio, President and Chief Executive Officer of Norwegian Cruise Lines Holdings. Guests on voyages that are currently on the way will see those voyages conclude, and they will be disembarked as soon as possible and assisted with travel arrangements. All guests who have been impacted will receive a 125% refund of the fare that they paid in the form of a cruise future credit. And this can be applied to any sailing through to December 31st, 2022. Yes, you heard it, 2022. So guys, we have time to sit and browse to see what exotic itinerary you'll be taking moving forward. Remember, we're here at Sheri Fantastic to set you on the right sailing with the right adventure just in time for you. Now, for those who choose not to take this, they will receive a 100% refund of the fare paid, and this will be reimbursed to them to the original form of payment that was used, and this will be done within 30 days of the guest request being received. Of course, we are still open. We're still taking bookings for Norwegian Cruise Lines and all the vessels within the brand, the Holdings. So for Oceania and Regent, beautiful ships. Got off the Oceania Insignia, did a wonderful ship inspection there in Miami. She is a beauty, and you can follow us right here to see what that day was like.